Hi ma'am, hi classmates. I am Sarah Jane Pakibot My League, and for today's session, I'm going to discuss all about weathering and deposition. So let's get started. What is weathering? Weathering is a general term used to describe processes that break down rocks at or near the surface of the earth. This process causes the surface of the earth to dissolve, decompose, and break into smaller pieces called sediments. There are two types of weathering. First is the physical weathering. Physical weathering is the breakdown of earth material without undergoing a chemical change. There are four examples of physical weathering. First is the frost action. Frost action results from the alternating freezing and thawing of water, when water expands as it freezes in cracks and then thaws. Second is the abrasion. Abrasion is the rocks and sediments grinding against each other wear away surface. The rocks become smoother as rough and jagged edges break off when water runs over a surface or sun blows over a surface. Then third is the exfoliation. Exfoliation is a term to describe the peeling away of sheets of rock millimeters to meters in thickness from a rock surface when rocks are heated by day and cooled by night. Then the fourth one is the root wedging. Root wedging is the process in which roots grow into the cracks in rocks and force the cracks open as they continue to grow when roots of plants break up the earth. The second types of weathering is the chemical weathering. Chemical weathering changes the minerals that make up rock. And in chemical weathering, there are four examples. First is the oxidation. Oxidation is when oxygen reacts with minerals of a rock. Second is the carbonation. Carbonation is the carbon dioxide gas dissolves in groundwater, forming weak carbonic acid. Large masses of limestone can be dissolved, forming caves, stalactites, and sinkholes. And the third one is the hydration or hydrolysis. Hydration or hydrolysis is the chemical breakdown of a substance when combined with water. And the fourth one, which is the last one, is the organic activity. Organic activity breaks down minerals by alternating the rock's chemical composition. Before I proceed to the next topic, let's review all about weathering. So weathering is constantly changing the landforms around us. There are two types of weathering, the physical weathering and the chemical weathering. For the next topic is the erosion. Don't confuse weathering with erosion. Weathering breaks up the Earth's surface into small pieces called sediments, right? Erosion is the process of moving sediments from one place to another. Like wind, water, gravity, ice, and humans are all causes of erosions. And my last topic is all about deposition. So what is deposition? Deposition is the dropping or depositing of sediments by water, wind, or ice. Deposition builds up new lands on Earth's surface like the delta at the end of a river or a pile up of a sand dune in the desert. And shells on the beach are deposition by ocean waves. So this is the process. First is the weathering, which causes rocks and earth materials to break down. Next is the erosion, which is the earth material is then moved through erosion. The last one is the earth material is finally dropped off through deposition. And then the natural processes that change Earth's ocean and land can be categorized into two ways. First is the constructive. Constructive, those processes that create landforms. And the second one is the destructive, those processes that destroy landforms. Take note that the weathering is a destructive process. Then the erosion is both constructive and destructive processes, and the deposition is constructive processes. And that's all. Thank you.